Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Jenna. I'm so happy you're here today.
Hi everyone, I'm Steve. I'm learning English with Jenna.
That's right. This is the perfect place for you to learn English slowly, easily, and clearly. Today, we're going to learn English at the restaurant.
Yay, I love food.
Me too. We'll learn how to talk to a waiter, order food, and ask questions politely. Everything is simple, friendly, and fun. But before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
Yes, please like this video, subscribe to our channel English with Jenna, and tell us in the comments what food you love.
That's right. We read your comments and love hearing from you. Okay, ready? Let's go to the restaurant together. All right, imagine this. You walk into a restaurant. A waiter says, "Hello, how many people?"
What should I say?
You can say, "2 people, please," or "Table for 2, please."
Table for 2, please. That's easy.
Yes, very easy. Let's practice with our listeners. Dear listener, repeat after me. Table for 2, please. Good job. Now let's try another one. 2 people, please.
Okay, got it. Table for 2, please. Easy.
Great. When the waiter shows you the table, they might say, "Follow me, please." Then you say, "Thank you."
Oh, so simple. Follow me, please. Thank you.
Perfect. Let's practice that. Listener, say it with us. Follow me, please. Thank you. This is fun. I can already imagine sitting down at a nice restaurant.
Exactly. You're doing great.
Now that you're seated, the waiter comes and asks, "Would you like something to drink?"
How do I answer that?
You can say, "Yes, I'd like some water, please." Or, "Yes, I'd like a coffee, please."
Can I say, I want coffee?
Good question. You can say, "I want coffee," but it sounds more polite to say, "I'd like coffee, please."
I'd like sounds softer.
Exactly. Let's practice together. I'd like some water, please. I'd like a coffee, please.
I'd like some water, please. I'd like a coffee, please.
Perfect. You can also say, "Just water for me, thank you."
Just water for me, thank you.
Nice. That's polite and simple. Now the waiter gives you the menu. You can say, "Thank you," then you start reading.
What if I don't understand something on the menu?
Good question. You can ask, "What is this?" or "What's in this dish?"
What's in this dish means what are the ingredients, right?
Yes, you got it. Let's try it together. What's in this dish? What is this?
This is good practice. Can I ask, is it spicy?
Yes, that's a great question. Is it spicy? Or is it sweet? Or is it salty?
I love spicy food. So I can say, I like spicy food.
Exactly. And if you don't like it, you can say, "I don't like spicy food." Let's practice. Dear listener, I like spicy food. I don't like spicy food.
I like spicy food. I don't like spicy food.
Great job. Now you're ready to order. The waiter says, "Are you ready to order?"
I can say, yes, I am.
That's right. Or you can say, "Yes, I'd like a pizza, please." "Yes, I'd like a salad, please."
Can I say, I'll have a pizza?
Yes, that's also natural. "I'll have a pizza, please."
Okay. I'll have a pizza, please.
Perfect. Let's give the listener a chance to practice. "I'll have a burger, please." "I'll have a salad, please." Very nice.
How do I say if I don't know what I want yet?
You can say, "Can I have 1 more minute, please?"
Oh, that's useful. Can I have 1 more minute, please?
Exactly. polite, and clear. Now your food comes, but you need something. Maybe you need salt, or a fork, or a napkin.
I can say, can I have a fork, please?
Perfect. Let's practice with different things. Can I have a spoon, please? Can I have some salt, please? Can I have a napkin, please?
This is easy and polite. Can I also say, excuse me?
Yes, always start with excuse me. That's the polite way to get attention. So, full sentence, excuse me, can I have a spoon, please?
Excuse me. Can I have a spoon, please?
Great. Perfect English. Now it's dessert time. The waiter says, would you like some dessert?
I can say, yes, please.
Exactly. Or, yes, I'd like some cake, please. Or, yes, I'd like ice cream, please.
I'd like ice cream, please.
Good choice. And if you don't want dessert, you can say, no, thank you.
No, thank you.
Perfect. Always polite. Now you finish your meal. You're ready to pay. What do you say?
Maybe, can I pay?
Almost. We usually say, can I have the bill, please? Or, can I have the check, please?
Oh, bill and check mean the same thing?
Yes. In the US, people say check. In the UK, people say bill.
Got it. Can I have the bill, please?
Good job. You can also ask, can I pay by card? Can I pay with cash?
Can I pay by card? Can I pay with cash?
Perfect. When you're done, always say thank you. You can say, thank you, the food was very good. Or, thank you, it was delicious.
I like that. It was delicious.
Yes, let's practice. It was delicious. The food was very good.
It was delicious. The food was very good.
Perfect. You can also say, thank you, have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Excellent, Steve. Okay, now let's review everything we learned today.
All right, review time.
When you arrive, you say, table for two, please. When you order drinks, I'd like some water, please. When you order food, I'll have a pizza, please. When you need something, excuse me, can I have a fork, please? When you pay, can I have the bill, please? And when you leave, thank you, it was delicious.
Wow, so many useful phrases. Now I can eat in any restaurant and speak English.
Exactly. And remember, dear listener, practice makes perfect. Let's do a short role play together. You're the customer, I'll be the waiter.
Okay, ready.
Hello. How many people?
Table for two, please?
Here's your table. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like some water, please.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have a pizza, please.
Would you like dessert?
No, thank you.
Can I get you anything else?
Excuse me, can I have some salt, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That was perfect, Steve. And you, listener, did you say the sentences with us? Good job. All right, everyone. That's all for today's episode, English at the Restaurant. Easy English Dialogues.
This was fun and delicious.
Yes, it was. You learned how to order food, drinks, and dessert, and how to speak politely at a restaurant.
I love learning English like this. It feels easy.
I'm so glad to hear that. And to everyone listening, keep practicing every day.
And don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and comment. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite food? We'd love to know.
Thanks for listening to English with Jenna.
See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.
Bye.